Good day, my future employee. My name is Lilin Caliao. I am 30 years old and I am from Mandaluyong City, Philippines. I am single. I am college graduate and my course is Hotel Restaurant Services. I have experience in housekeeping, including cleaning the house, taking care of the children, doing the laundry, and cooking Filipino food. I am also willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. My previous job was as a nanny in Pasig City. Since 2022 to 2024. There were 4 members in the family, including 2 children. One is 2 years old and other one is 3 years old. I took care with them with love, patience, and responsibility. During my free time with the children, I play with them, take them in the playground, and teach them how to speak. And teach them the good manners. And some of activities fun. I am hardworking. I am willing to learn, follow the instruction, and I am patient. I want to work in Hong Kong to provide my family and support their needs. I hope I hope to see you soon and your family. Thank you, my good employee.